have this course called technopreneurship, and I think it's the need of the hour because the Indian government is putting a lot of focus on creating technological advancements to the country, and for all the interventions there are also many ministries and policies which relates to technopreneurship, and this course handled all of that very meticulously. All the sessions were echoing what technopreneurship and technology is for the respective country.
The program that has been designed is to help people or the participant understand what is called technopreneurship and how startups are created, how startups are supported inside an ecosystem, and how we can nurture startups. So there's the whole journey of the startups and how the startups are contributing back to the economy of the various countries. And then we try to understand that how the various incubators are right now promoting startups, the whole process of startup creation. That's something we have discussed over this 6-week period.
Entrepreneurship is the need of the hour. The world over, the economies are realizing that entrepreneurship has to be promoted. So the first priority is that newer and newer enterprises are promoted, whether it is micro, tiny, small, medium, large, some entrepreneurship. Because it is the entrepreneurship which creates wealth, generates employment, and contributes to the earning for the government also, apart from providing us the wonderful unlimited opportunities.
These students have tried their best to learn the things that we have tried, and I hope they are going to do great in their future. They are going to use the learning that we have tried to provide them, and hopefully they'll do great and be successful in their career, and they'll be all fine.
We have learned here various definitions, what startup is, what is technopreneurship, and we have experience and get to know different people, different successful startups here in ADII.
We've learned a lot of things from this course. We met a lot of people from different countries, and we learned about how India developed their country, how they work. They're trying to find solutions for their startup ecosystem.
Here to study in entrepreneurship of India, have a course in ITEC and learning something about the business plan. It's good.
I really enjoy and I get very excited for these programs because I gain a lot from policy skills and entrepreneurship knowledge and skills, and I hope I will go my home to utilize those skills I get from EDI. And thank you ITEC and EDI Institute for this opportunity.
So we learn how to combine the technology with the entrepreneur. So it's become innovation because of we are in Industry Revolution 4. In the worldwide, we are to go ahead with the technology.
I reached this course here in India at EDIA Institute. It was very interesting. We speak too much about ecosystem. We built some network here. Our goal is to like to take good and bad things here and take all experience about Indian ecosystem and try to make our ecosystem in Algeria better. And to build Startup Nation is our first goal in Algeria Ministry of Startup.
These courses will develop our skills in entrepreneurship, leadership, finance, marketing, and we take a lot of suggestions for our country for develop our ecosystem for startup.
Amazing, smart experience, learning about the Indian experience in the domain of startup incubator ecosystem. And we are here to find the solution for our own country and to help in this rising a new ecosystem in Algeria.
I was very impressed how quickly they could go because their policies, their ecosystem is quite new. It's not that old. In like for example, just last year they had more than 40 unicorns. India have more than 100 unicorns, which indicates how quickly they go fast. So very interesting. We shared a lot with policy stakeholders, with startups, but also with incubators. It was really interesting.
India, over the course of its developmental journey, has developed some expertise, and we want to share this expertise with our friendly partner countries who are also going through the process of their own development. So under the program, we do a lot of courses in various fields, such as in management, entrepreneurship, banking, finance, management, and then there are technical courses in the area of rural electrification, in the area of tool design, and for teachers also we have courses, for bankers we have courses, for people who are in the field of journalism we have courses, people in the field of legislative drafting, and those working in parliament we have courses. So there are courses in all kinds of field. Actually, under the program there are about 12,000 scholarships that are offered every year to people from about 180 countries in 300 plus courses in institutions. And the idea is that people, when they acquire this new knowledge and skill, they come back and use this knowledge for the benefit of their own institutions and for development of their country and for the benefit of their people.
is a brilliant course which enables us to gain knowledge and experience and to implement this kind of knowledge and experience in our own sphere. I'm really amazed by the professionalism of the professors, doctors, and facilitators who share with us their knowledge and experience.
This ITEC program is giving significant opportunities for all participators here, and the knowledge and experiences which we are taking here, definitely we will share with our university or institute staffs in back to our home country.
During 2 weeks, we studied in Lovely Professional University. It's a unique place with leading technologies of education and professional teachers. It was very interesting and funny to work in one team with representatives of more than 30 countries of the world. India is a unique place with different cultures, nations, and religions.
The knowledge which I gained in India, it was very useful for me, and now it's also very useful for Tajikistan. I hope to use this experience which I gained in India.
I saw places that I had not imagined even in my dreams, very beautiful and charming historical places. They treated so the people are very kind, they treated us very well, and there are even first-class good people in the world, as I know. जाहो में आना, अपने तो दिल का पता दे, जाहो में आना, अपने तो दिल का पता दे, जाहो में आना। इतना पता था तुझको, चाहत ने अपनी मुझको, यूँ तो नहीं इख्तियार, फिर गए सोजा दिल ले, अब जो लगा हो मिले, हो चुप तुझे मुझको प्यार हो, तू ही है मुझको पता दे, जाओ में आना। अपने तो दिल का पता दे, जाओ में आना।